Hello guys! So discuss ulit tayo ng another tax topic. Sino ba yung mga qualifying child dependents? So meron dito nakasulat to, a spouse is never considered a dependent. So we have to keep that in mind na hindi porket may asawa ka kahit wala yung trabaho, never yung makukonsider as your dependent. Alright? So first qualification is the relationship test. So kailangan yung bata is your son, daughter, stepson, stepdaughter, brother, sister, stepsister, stepbrother, adopted child, eligible foster children. So, kapag nag-fall under ka doon, sa mga binanggit ko na yon, you pass the relationship check. Relationship test check. Alright? So, 1 point ka na. Alright, second qualification is the principal residence test check. So, kailangan si child is nakatira sa'yo for more than half of the year. So, that's very crucial. Kailangan nakatira siya sa'yo, kasama mo siya sa bahay for more than half of the year in order for him or her to be qualified as your child dependent. Next is the age test. Kailangan si child at the end of the taxable year must be under the age of 19. So, what if more than 19 na siya? Pwede pa rin for as long as full-time student siya. So, for full-time student, you must be under the age of 24. Alright? Under the age of 24, regardless if that's over the age of 19, which is yung magpo-fall under doon sa letter A. So, if you are more than 19, pwede ka pa rin maging child dependent basta full-time student ka. And then, paano naman kung more than 25 ka? Pwede pa rin, more than 24 ka, pwede ka pa rin ba maging child dependent? The answer is yes. Pero may condition, kailangan permanent and totally disabled ka. Alright? Another thing, paano ka ba makukonsider as a full-time student? If at least, it requires at least 5 months of enrollment or registration. Okay? And lastly is not self-supporting. Kailangan yung child, hindi siya nagpo-provide for his or her own needs. So, dapat more than half of yung needs ng bata, you are supporting him para ma-consider siya as a qualified child dependent. So, those are the 4 tests that you need to... Those are the 4 tests na kailangan ma-meet natin para ma-qualify ka as a qualifying child dependent. Again, if you are qualifying child dependent, you will be entitled to additional deductions that will trigger your tax filing status as well, earned income, child tax credit, so on and so forth. Pero for now, yung 4 na yon you have to remember. Okay? So that's all for today. Follow me for more tax infos. Bye!